Welcome back to the 100 English Words Challenge, Episode 2. If you want to sound more fluent, confident, and advanced in English, you're in the right place. In this series, we're upgrading basic verbs with their advanced synonyms to help you express yourself in a better way. Today, we're covering 10 more powerful verbs. So let's get started. Number 1, break means to separate into pieces. Synonyms are fracture and shatter. Basic sentence, he broke his phone. Advanced sentence, he fractured his phone screen after dropping it. More advanced, the glass shattered into tiny pieces. Word number 2, bring means to take something to someone. Synonyms are deliver and fetch. Basic, she brought me a gift. Advanced, she delivered a beautiful present to my house. More advanced, she fetched a book from the shelf for me. Number 3, build means to make or construct something. Synonyms are construct and erect. Basic, they built a new school. Advanced, they constructed a modern school building. More advanced, they erected a monument in the city square. Word number 4, buy, means to get something by paying for it. Alternatives are purchase and acquire. Basic, he brought a new car. Advanced, he purchased a luxury vehicle last week. More advanced, he acquired a rare sports car for his collection. Word number 5, call, means to address or summon someone. Summon or designate are the synonyms. Basic, the manager called the employees. Advanced, the manager summoned the employees for a meeting. More advanced, he designated a team leader for the project. Word number 6, cancel, means to stop something planned. Alternatives are revoke and nullify. Basic, they cancelled the event. Advanced, they revoked the invitation due to an emergency. More advanced, the contract was nullified after the agreement was broken. Word number 7, change, means to make something different. Alternatives are alter and modify. Basic, she changed her hairstyle. Advanced, she altered her hairstyle to a model. More advanced, the teacher modified the lesson plan to suit the student's need. Word number 8, choose, means to pick one option. Alternatives are select or opt for. Basic, he chose a red t-shirt. Advanced, he selected a red shirt from the collection. More advanced, he opted for a more formal outfit. Word number 9, come, means to move toward a place or arrive and approach. Basic, he came late to the meeting. Advanced, he arrived 10 minutes late to the meeting. More advanced, he approached the stage to receive his award. Word number 10, continue, means to keep doing something. Synonyms are proceed and persevere. Basic, she continued her studies. Advanced, she proceeded with her research after a short break. More advanced, she persevered through challenges to complete her degree. So, that's another 10 powerful verbs added to your vocabulary. By replacing basic words with these advanced synonyms, your English will sound more professional, natural, and impressive. So, we still have 80 more words to go, right? So make sure like, share, and subscribe to Amaze Academia for next episodes. By the way, which advanced verb was new for you? Let me know in the comment section. Keep learning, keep improving. I'll see you in the next lesson.